Introducing the 2014 GMC Sierra. This vehicle still has fewer than 110,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take every journey in stride in this capable, well-equipped Sierra. Whether you're towing, hauling, or managing the everyday demands of your busy life, you can count on this brawny, full-size pickup to get the job done right. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stop dreaming and start living. This handsome Sierra won't last long. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.